Hello everyone. Today we will learn 3 tricks of multiplication by 3-digit number. Multiplication by 3-digit number. Trick number 1. 3 by 3-digit multiplication. We will calculate what will be the value 123 multiplied by 321. Let us calculate. First, place 123 into 321 in 3 columns or 2 rows as 1 2 3 and second row 3 2 1. Here 2 rows are first row containing the elements 1 2 3 and second row contains the numbers 3 2 1. 3 columns are first column, second column, third column. Now start on the right hand column. Multiply the right hand column digits. We get 3 into 1 3. Here right hand column contains 3 and 1 and multiply these 2 digits. We get 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Put this value below right hand column, that is put this value 3 below this column. So we get 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Step 2. Cross multiply or multiply diagonally the last 2 column elements. Here this is last 2 column elements, third column and second column. That is multiply 2 by 1 and 3 by 2. Then we get 2 into 1 plus 3 into 2 is equal to 8. So add the two products 3 into 2 plus 2 into 1 and write down the result 8 to the left of 3. Step 3. Multiply as like the given figure, that is multiply 1 by 1, that is 1 by 1, 2 by 2 and 3 by 3 and add these results. So 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3 gives 14. 1 4. This gives 14. Add the 3 products and write down the result 4 to the left of 8 of 83 and carry over 1, because we have in this case 14, so put 4 to the left of 83 and carry over 1. Therefore, multiplication of 1 to 3 into 3 to 1, last 3 digits are 4, 8, 3. Step 4. Multiply as like the given figure, that is multiply 1 by 2 and 2 by 3 and add these two products. We have 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 is equal to 8 plus 1. पहले का कैरी 1 है और यहाँ पे 8 है, टोटल मिला के हो गया 9. इस 9 को हमें लिखना है 4 के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में. Therefore we have 9, 4, 8, 3. Step 5, our last step. Lastly, we multiply left hand column digits or figures, that is multiply 1 by 3. Here left hand column digits are 1 and 3. So multiply these two digits together. We have 3 into 1 or 1 into 3 is equal to 3. Therefore, result is 39483. Write down the result 3 to the left of 9. So we have the result 39483. Therefore, the multiplication of 123 and 321 is equal to 39483. This is the simple method or trick to multiply 3-digit number with another 3-digit number. Now trick number 2, 3 by 2-digit multiplication. Example 2. What is the value of 234 into 17? In a similar process, step 1, first place 234 into 17 in 3 columns or 2 rows as 2, 3, 4 and 1, 7. Here you can assume the second row first column element as 0. Multiply the right hand column digits. We get 4 into 7, 28. This is right hand column elements. 4 into 7. This is 4 into 7 is equal to 28. So put 8 below the right hand column and carry over 2. Step 2. Cross multiply or multiply diagonally the last two column digits, that is multiply 3 by 7 and 4 by 1. Add the two products and write down the result 7 to the left of 8 and carry over 2. यहाँ पे दोनों राइट हैंड कॉलम एलिमेंट्स को आपस में डायगोनली मल्टीप्लाई करना है और इसको ऐड करना है. करने के बाद मिलेगा 3 इंटू 7 प्लस 4 इंटू 1, दिस इज 25 एंड कैरी 2, दिस इज इक्वल टू 27. So put 7 to the left of 8. So we have here 78 and carry over 2 for 27. Step 3. Multiply as like the given figure, that is multiply 2 by 7 and 3 by 1. So we have 2 into 7 plus 3 into 1, this is equal to 17 and carry is 2. Therefore 17 plus 2 is equal to 19. Put 9 to the left of 78 and carry over 9. Lastly, we multiply first digit of first row and first digit of second row, that is multiply 2 by 1. Write down the result 2 to the left of 9. Sorry, here 2 into 1 is equal to 2 plus 1, this is equal to 3. So we have to put 3 to the left of 978 or to the left of 9 of 978. Therefore we have 234 into 17 is equal to 3978. This is not 2 but it is 3. To solve this problem, another method is second method, 234 into 17. Now 234 can be written as sum of 200 plus 30 plus 4, and 234 into 17 can be written as 200 plus 30 plus 4 into 17. If you multiply separately, then we get 3400 or 3400 plus 30 into 17, this is 510, plus 4 into 17, this is 68. If we add together, then we will get 3978. Now trick number 3. This is multiplication of 3 by 3 digit numbers. Example 3. What is the value of 345 multiplied by 8? First we write 345 in the form of 345 is equal to 300 plus 40 plus 5. Step 2. Multiply 8 by 300 we have 8 into 300 is equal to 2400. Step 3. Multiply 8 by 40. We have 8 into 40 is equal to 320. Step 4. Multiply 8 by 5. We have 8 into 5 is equal to 40. Step 5. Add the above products. We have 2400 plus 320 plus 40. That is 2400 plus 320 plus 40. This is equal to 2760. Or simply you calculate 345 into 8 is equal to 300 plus 40 plus 5 into 8 is equal to 300 into 8 plus 400 into 8 plus 5 into 8 is equal to 2400 plus 320 plus 40 is equal to 2760. These are the 3 tricks of multiplication by a 3-digit number. Practice questions are these. You can practice this question to increase your multiplication capacity. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please don't forget to